Hey y'all, I hope y'all can hear me. It's Jazz, Jubilant Jestures, and my hat looks crazy. Everything looks crazy. The fact that I'm walking out in the snowstorm, y'all see it? It's crazy. But 2021 snowstorm. I'm in Virginia. And yeah, look at these pretty buildings with this snow. I am walking in a snowstorm because I wanted to get something to eat. I do have a car, but I'm not driving in this. I would much rather walk. So I was going to walk to Whole Foods, but it was like a 10-minute walk. So it means 10 minutes there and 10 minutes back. 5 minutes into the walk, I found Panera. So I got Panera instead. And yeah. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's a courthouse. Let me show y'all. Sorry. Snow just got in my eyeball. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? Well, not the nasty ground, but over there it's so pretty. I think the last time I walked in snow like this, it was when I was in North Carolina in school, and this was back in my super chiefing days. Yeah, we didn't, get our supplies before the snow hit, so we had to walk. Luckily, when I was in college, everybody lived in the same little vicinity, in the same facility. So we didn't have to walk too far. And honestly, somebody has what you need in just about every building. Oh, but we had to walk first to get whatever we needed. But the kicker was we had to actually walk to the main street to go to the corner store to get, what you get from the corner store when you about to, But yeah, so we walked, and that was the last time I remember, no, I'm lying. My friend Rod, he walked, this was DC now, fast forward, when I left North Carolina. My friend Rod decides, let's go outside. We're gonna meet, I think he wanted me to meet him by Howard's campus or something like that, which that's not bad of a walk when it's not snowing, but in the snowstorm, heck no. I literally made it up the hill from my house and was like, I don't think that this is gonna work. But he was already 20 minutes into walking. I was like, you're brave. And he's from California, so that was wild. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna check in with y'all later.